This is the YouTube account update. I'm separating out my finances and I have this little account here that I'm going to be using just for YouTube to show you what's going on in the stock market. Let's check it out. The SPY ETF closed at 202.53 cents. Value on our account has gone up 0.88%. What did I talk about before with this account? I talked about dollar cost averaging in. I kind of discussed dividends. I want to go over that more today, so we're going to do that right now. Screenshot of my account of what I purchased for the stock market. I put the cash outflows here. This is our dividend payment. I'm going to read them off to you, and I'll put it up right in front of me. So on November 9th, 2015, we bought 5 shares of the SPY ETF. The price was $207.53. I spent $1,044.60. Then I added 5 more shares on December 11th, 2015 for $1,017.85. Then I purchased 13 more shares on January 4th for $2,598.50. Then they paid me a dividend. That was $12.12. That went into my account, and because I have it on automatic reinvestment, it purchased 0.0641 shares of the SPY ETF. Then I was actually out of money, so I had to go earn money. What happened was when the market went down, there were a lot of small cap stocks that came into my price range, and I put all my money towards those. And then I had no money for my YouTube account, so I couldn't keep these videos going. So what I did was I went out and I got a management job, managing an engineering project, so I could get more cash and keep these videos going. So I added another 15 shares on March 1st, 2016 for $2,967.95. So what I want to show you here with dividends is $7,700 is not a lot of money, but maybe it is to some people. And so I want to go through the things that you do when you're working with a smaller amount like this. And this may or may not be a small amount to you, but you're going to get there, so don't worry. What I want to show you here is the gain that is shown is $66.96. That includes all of our cost basis. The dividend is included in our cost basis. So if we add this up and subtract it from the value of our account right now, we get $79.08. We don't get $66.96. Why is that? That's because of the dividend. They pay you that in cash. And so you have the option to take that and spend it wherever you want, or you can set it to automatically reinvest. With a smaller amount of money, I automatically reinvest it because it's just such a small amount of money, it doesn't make any sense to take it. When I start managing larger amounts of money, if I'm managing an account that's $100,000, that's $1 million, and I'm actively managing it, I will take the dividend and I will reallocate it to the other assets, rebalance my portfolio. With smaller amounts like this, we do not worry about that. We just automatically reinvest it. So that's what we're doing here. There's a couple of reasons. I know some people were against dollar cost averaging. And the reason that I'm for dollar cost averaging is that the market, I saw an earnings slowdown in October. So even though the analysts are saying, yeah, buy, 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 I was not in that mode to buy, buy, buy. I was in the sell, sell, sell mode. And I took a lot of profits before 2016 came around, and it worked out great for me. And this is why you do your own research and you do not listen to the analysts. It's really important for you to do your own research. So we're up a little bit, we're not killing it. And so I think the next step here with this YouTube account is to start talking about moving forward with individual stocks. I don't like the idea of recommending that everybody build up their portfolio full of funds. A lot of money managers are recommending this, but I think that individual stocks, individual ownership of companies is a very important thing, and we need to get to that. As we're getting away from funds, what do I like to do? I like to move towards large cap stocks. Those are the big companies, the big dividend companies. I like those the best for starting out with individual stocks because you can lose a lot of money with individual stocks. That is it for now. This is our YouTube account. I'm going to keep adding a little bit of money to it to make things more exciting, and we'll keep doing things with this. So that is it for now. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure that you enjoy your car.